Is right next to the pool area, the swimming pool. There's a swimming pool over there and a gym.
He was to guide us to proceed or not. So
Sanitation. There was a bit of confusion yesterday in terms of where Jasmine 1 and Jasmine 2 is. So in case I'll be walking around and financing.
So through the planning that the counties are being empowered to do, we are creating live, work and play environments. We foresee in the future, and has been captured in our designs, we are adopting mixed-use designs where we have the shops, the rentals, the banks on the first 3 floors, and then you have accommodation up there. So in our general plans, we are factoring for all these things. We are working with Kenya Power, we are working with water bodies, we are working on designs that are able to recycle water. We are able to put people within a more densified place because, land cannot be stretched. It becomes easier for government services even to reach those people.
Every day we are talking about bringing investors, even our own Kenyans in diaspora. They would want to come and invest in our urban areas. But the issue of land is exorbitantly priced. And therefore, we must be very creative. And when we attended the World Urban Forum and even the African Urban Forum, what was being discussed there was creation of new cities. And